Is it safe to install Android TV on my Samsung Smart TV?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be discussing an important question. Is it safe to install Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV? If you're considering installing Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and find out.
Understanding Android TV.
Before we address the safety aspect, let's quickly talk about what Android TV is. Android TV is an operating system developed by Google specifically for smart televisions. It offers a wide range of features, such as access to various streaming services, games, apps, and more. The primary purpose of Android TV is to enhance your TV viewing experience and provide additional functionalities.
Official Android TV support for Samsung Smart TVs.
Now, let's discuss the official support for Android TV on Samsung Smart TVs. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Samsung Smart TVs do not come with native support for Android TV. Instead, Samsung uses its own operating system called Tizen for its smart TVs.
Third-party installation of Android TV on Samsung Smart TVs.
Since Samsung Smart TVs don't have built-in support for Android TV, some users may consider installing it through third-party methods. It's important to note that installing Android TV through unofficial means may void your TV's warranty and can potentially introduce security risks.
Security risks and compatibility issues.
When it comes to installing unofficial Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV, there are a few things to consider regarding security and compatibility. First, third-party installations may expose your TV to potential security vulnerabilities as they may not undergo the same level of rigorous testing and security measures as official software. This can make your TV more susceptible to malware, viruses, or unauthorized access. Additionally, compatibility issues may arise when installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV that was not designed for it. This can result in a less stable or functional experience, including features not working correctly or poor performance.
Official alternatives and recommendations.
If you're looking to expand the capabilities of your Samsung Smart TV, it's generally safer and more reliable to explore the official alternatives provided by Samsung. The Tizen operating system offers a variety of apps, streaming services, and features that can enhance your TV experience without the potential risks associated with unofficial installations. If you require specific apps or services not available on Tizen, you may want to consider using external devices like a streaming media player or game console that already supports Android TV. These devices are designed to work seamlessly with your TV and provide a safe and reliable way to access Android TV functionalities. To wrap up, while it may be tempting to install Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV, it's important to consider the safety implications and potential risks involved. Official support for Android TV on Samsung Smart TVs is currently unavailable, and installing it through unofficial methods can void your warranty and expose your TV to security vulnerabilities. Instead, I recommend exploring the official alternatives provided by Samsung or considering external devices that are designed to work with Android TV. This way, you can enjoy a safer and more reliable TV experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.